This is a Survive Air HipPac. Some of the things you need to check before you don or use this apparatus is one is to verify the hydro date is good on the bottle. These are 5-minute aluminum bottles and they're hydro tested every 5 years. And you also want to make sure that there is air in the bottle because it's your means of escape in case of an emergency. And what you have is, you have a supply air line here and your regular regulator, which hooks up to the face mask mounted regulator, which hooks up to your mask here. And Survive Air makes 50-foot, 100-foot, and I think also 300-foot hosing. And from the point of attachment, meaning the end connection to the HipPac, the maximum length you can use is 300 feet. So you can get it, you can make it in 50-foot increments or 100-foot increments or just use a straight 300-foot hose, okay? And what you want to do is, this would be your point of attachment right here, your last point of attachment, which hooks up to the air pack. This being a Schrader fitting just snaps right in like so. And then this, at this point, this will hook up into your supplied air supply, okay? And you also want to make sure that your straps to your HipPac are not broke and that they do actually function and connect to your HipPac, to your shoulder straps and everything. This here is your waist strap right here. You want to make sure that your buckles and everything are all set and in place. Here's your shoulder strap right here. You want to make sure that all the connections right there are in place. So what we want to do right now is hook up, show you how this hooks up onto the actual individual. First, we're going to put the shoulder strap on. Okay. Then we want to put the waist pad on, hook up the waist belt. At this point, we would normally attach our supplied air line, but we're gonna briefly go over what we wanna do as far as hooking up to our mask. So what we're gonna do, again, you have your individuals will have your own personal protection plan going on with the operation and maintenance of your mask. What you wanna do right now at this point would be to hook up the mask to the face mounted regulator. And then the bottle itself should never be turned on unless there's an emergency where you need to escape, because that is your escape breathing air in case either the face mounted regulator go bad or the bottle reducer go bad, okay? Then you have your emergency bypass and everything to turn on the bottle with and get out of the situation. Or if your supply air is cut off, and obviously you're going to notice when it's cut off, well, you would want to get out of that particular area also. So what you would do, this is your supplied air line, hooks up to your supplied line, and then you would don your mask. Actually, you want to have your mask on before you even hook up your regulator. But I'm just doing it now for demo purposes. You would, in order to check the line, of course, you would have your donny switch closed, and then you could open up your bypass just to see if you hear airflow coming through your supplied air line. If not, then you would not obviously go into that situation. But once you've donned your mask and your bypass, your emergency bypass is closed, your donny switch is closed, you can check your system with your bottle. If you heard that, you could have heard that it actually filled up the line. And what you want to do is just do a quick check, close your bottle off. So now I know my regulator and mask is supplying me with air. So now that I can hook up and go into the situation, then I can move out safely. Thank you.